My daughter not easy, you know, man. Hey, welcome back to my channel, guys. Mama P in the kitchen again today. I will be cooking up with some love.
All right, so what you making today?
Today, I am making some baby bok choy with saltfish.
All right, so what are the ingredients?
Ingredients are my green seasoning. This is scallion, which is green onion here, tomato, my white onion, scotch bonnet pepper, and my cut up garlic. Here is the thyme. Here I have olive oil, adobo, I have complete seasoning, I have salt-free dash, black pepper, and Old Bay.
Nice, all right.
So here, I'm going to start by cutting up my saltfish. My saltfish has been soaked since last night, so I'm not gonna cook it. I'm just gonna go ahead, cut it up, and then you'll see how I put it in the pot and get it together.
Yes, and just to let you guys know that this has bone, but let's say if you don't want that, we have the boneless codfish that you can purchase at the store if you don't want to debone the codfish. Okay. Or saltfish.
And here, this is my baby bok choy, or POP CHOW that they call it in Jamaica. So I'll be taking these apart and I'm going to wash them and then I'm going to cut them up small. As you can see, I have two different bok choy. I have the one with the white bottom and the green top, and I have the green ones. I just like them like that because I like a lot of greens when I'm eating my veggie like this. So I buy
so two different types.
And usually when I'm washing fresh greens, I like to sprinkle some salt over it and wash it, just in case they have any bugs or anything on them. Then you know, this can help get them out. So I like to just wash my fresh greens with salt. See, I just get in between the leaves and I just wash them. So here I'm cutting up my saltfish.
She's removing the bones, yes.
So removing the bone from this piece.
And like I said before, guys, if you don't want to go through this process, you can always purchase the boneless codfish at the grocery store. How long did you soak this for, Mom?
I soaked this since yesterday, last
Oh,
night.
overnight.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, so now I'm starting the process of the cooking. So now I'm pouring some virgin, extra virgin olive oil, see? In there, this is half a cup.
Cooking it at medium heat right now. That's where she has it. So she's going to give it a couple of minutes for the oil to get a little hot.
Not too hot because you know olive oil will burn. Okay, my lovely people, so now I'm going in with my green seasoning. This is my garlic. Let me kind of saute that a little bit in the oil. And I'm going to go in with my onion. And the pepper. And my green onion. And my tomato. So I'm just going to stir that in. Turn the stove around to work. I want it to. And I'm gonna go in with my saltfish now. Alright, so let me put some of my herbs in there. So this is my whole bay. My
Adobo.
This is about a teaspoon. I'm not measuring, but you know, it's about a teaspoon of each.
Probably a little bit more than a teaspoon. I mean, it really all depends on how you like to season your food.
Your food, and you know, when you taste your pot, then you'll know. If you want a little more of anything, then you can just go in with it. Alright, so this is my salt-free dash. And my all-purpose seasoning.
Yeah, the complete seasoning.
And some black pepper. Just stir that in Stir in all your seasoning and your codfish
Or saltfish.
or saltfish.
Like how they say it
Whatever
in
you call
Jamaican. Yeah, in Jamaica they say saltfish.
It's still the same codfish.
Yeah, saltfish. They
It's
say,
the
I want my
same thing,
saltfish.
codfish.
Yeah, they say saltfish or codfish. It doesn't matter. It's still going in the same belly.
Yep. No. I'm just cooking the saltfish a bit.
Before she adds the pop choy.
Yeah. Alright, so now I'm going in with my greens. And guys, this don't have to cook long. It's not gonna be a long time on the fire.
She has to go in little by little. She can't just put the whole thing in. So you have to cook, like steam the greens for a little bit. And then when it starts to wither, then she adds the remaining amount.
What I'm gonna do is cover it for about 2 minutes until it go down. So there you go. So I'm back. My 2 minutes is up. So
You have to keep turning.
you know, pop chow spring a lot of water.
Yeah, so you don't have to add any.
Let me sprinkle some more black pepper in here. And some more all-purpose.
We just want, you know, the greens to have some flavor, you know?
And some more of the obe. Okay, so let's stir that in. Okay, let that sit again for a few more minutes. Let me taste this. Let me taste it. Oh, the seasoning is good, but it could take a pinch of salt. Just a pinch.
And you see, this time she didn't cover the pot. Is there a reason why, Mommy, this time you didn't?
And because Bok Choy spring a lot of water. And if you cover it, it's gonna even spring more. So I just leave it open until it cooks. It's almost cooked anyways. So I'm just gonna leave it there like that. Okay, so again, just see the big stem. Okay, that's pretty much done. So now I can turn my stove off and I'm going to plate it.
Yes.
There you have it, my lovely people. Saltfish and bok choy with some white rice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you in the next video. Thank you and have a blessed day.